I am from How To Taxes, and I'm here to help you file and assemble your Form 1040 tax return. First, some important dates for the 22 season. On January 23rd, the IRS will begin accepting tax returns. On April 18th is the due date for all returns. On October 16th is the due date for those that are requesting an extension. This is only an extension of time to file. It is not an extension of time to pay your tax. Attach the following forms to your return: Form W-2 2439, 1099-R, and Form W-2G if there was tax withheld. If you received a corrected W-2, which is a W-2C, attach that and your original W-2 to the return. Attach the forms to your return with a staple in the middle of the left-hand side of your tax return. Assemble your return with the attachment sequence number found in the upper right-hand corner of the forms. On page 113 of the Form 1040 instructions, which is the very last page of the instructions, there is a schedule that shows you where to file your tax return. So for example, if you are requesting a refund or are not enclosing a check or money order and you live in the state of Alabama, you would file your return to the Department of the Treasury, Internal Revenue Service, Kansas City, Missouri. If you owe taxes with your return and you're not paying electronically, you need to file Form 1040V with the return. Fill out your name, address, and Social Security number and the amount that you're paying by check or money order. Make your check or money order out to the United States Treasury. Write the following on your check: 2022 Form 1040 or 1040SR or 1040-1040NR, whatever form you are filing, your Social Security number, your name, address, your phone number. Don't attach the Form 1040V or your payment to the return. Put them loose in the envelope. There is a table that is found in the instructions for the Form 1040V, and it is also found on the last page of the Form 1040 instructions that shows you where to file when you are sending in a payment. So again, for example, if you live in the state of Alabama, you would file to the Internal Revenue Service, P.O. Box 1214, Charlotte, North Carolina. When you send in your return, make sure you put enough postage on the envelope. If the return is more than 5 pages or if the pages are thick, you would need to put more than one stamp on it. Thank you for watching. I am from How To Taxes. Subscribe for future tax videos.